By the end of this video, you will know how to delete accounts from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you are looking to remove an account from your list in QuickBooks Online, the action you will use is to make that account inactive. This takes it out of active use in the chart of accounts, so it no longer appears as an available account in the same way. Start by going to Settings. You will usually find a gear icon near the top of the QuickBooks Online window. Select it to open the Settings menu. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. This opens the full list of accounts in your company file, where you can review the accounts that are currently active. Once you are in the chart of accounts, look through the list and find the account you want to delete. Take a moment here to make sure you have the correct account before you continue. Account names can sometimes be similar, so it is worth checking the row carefully. After you find the account, move across to the Action column on the same row. In that column, click the drop-down arrow. This opens a menu with available actions for that specific account. From the drop-down menu, select Make Inactive. In QuickBooks Online, this is the option used when you want to remove an account from the active chart of accounts list. When you choose it, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm the change before it is applied. A confirmation prompt will appear. Read the prompt, then click Yes to make the account inactive. After you confirm, QuickBooks updates the account status and removes it from the active account list. If the screen takes a moment to refresh, allow it to finish loading. Once the update is complete, the account will no longer remain active in your chart of accounts. If you are reviewing several accounts, it helps to pause and verify each one before making it inactive, since this action applies to the selected account only. The full process is just a path through Settings, into Chart of Accounts, then the action menu for the account you want to remove, followed by the confirmation. As long as you select the right account and confirm the prompt, QuickBooks will mark that account as inactive instead of leaving it available in your active list. You have now made the selected account inactive in the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online.